food lovers, I'm Adnana and today we will make super delicious caramel lava brownies. This is the best combination of ingredients you will ever try, trust me. In a saucepan, melt 12 tablespoons or 200 grams of unsalted butter and then add 100 grams semi-sweet chocolate. Stir well until the chocolate and butter are melted and well combined. Add the melted chocolate in a medium bowl and stir in 50 grams cocoa powder and 200 grams granulated sugar. Beat until the dry ingredients are incorporated in the liquid once. Add 2 eggs, one at a time, and then 1 egg yolk. Continue stirring until well combined. For an extra flavor, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a small bowl, whisk together 140 grams all-purpose flour with half teaspoon baking powder. Gradually, incorporate the dry ingredients to wet and stir until well combined. Now, it's time to preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, grease 12-count muffin tin with melted butter. Pour the brownie mixture into the prepared tin. Bake it for 25 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Immediately after baking, take a rounded teaspoon and press into each brownie bite to make a well. Allow brownie bites to cool while you prepare your caramel filling. You can find the caramel recipe on the video's description or on the top right corner. Use a teaspoon to pour melted caramel into each brownie bite. Sprinkle with sea salt on top if you want to taste a salted caramel version. I like it more. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. And if you did, don't forget to give a like and leave a comment. If you want to see more secrets in the oven recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!